Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo Jinil no Wakwezone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, Anamegelonu. I'm from ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakom, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's give it up for EJ. All right, so thank you, EJ, for sending in your request for the Igbo Name of the Day. So EJ told me that the way he would describe himself is being strong-willed and having a powerful spirit. He also said that his ancestors are very important to him, so any name that kind of invokes that or talks about that would be a good name for him. So his original request on TikTok was that he wanted a name that basically meant God with us, right? So he commented under one of my previous videos and said that he wanted a name that basically meant God with us. So there's already a name in Igbo that pretty much translates very closely into that. So that name is Munachimso. Come on, say that with me. Munachimso. Good. So you ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So mo means me, right? Na means and. Chi means God. And then that M sound again means it's like me again. And so means to follow, right? So you put all that together and it means God walks with me, or God is following me. Me, myself, and my God are, it's like more myself and my God are walking together, you know? God follows me. So basically God follows me, myself and my God are walking together. So the reason why he wanted that name, I'm assuming, is also connected to the spirit of his ancestors and the way he feels about the God that leads them and guides them. So that's why I gave him that name, Munachimso. So Munachimso's names give them the power to be strong-willed, self-assured, and they like to empower others. Tag and share this video with all the Munachimsos that you know. Thanks. So, Munachimso, what do you think? Is that a fitting name for him? Did I get the translation right? Let me know down in the comment section down below. Thanks. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. I really appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel. All types of engagement are free, obviously, so I appreciate it. It won't hurt you to hit the like button. Leave a comment down below about what you think about it. And subscribe to this channel. It would really help me out a lot. All of the subscriptions and the shares and all that stuff really do help out the YouTube algorithm. So it wouldn't hurt and it would help me. So I really, really appreciate it. If you want to learn more about Igbo Nigerian culture, please let me know. You can hit me up on my YouTube. Obviously this is my YouTube, but my Instagram is linked below in the description. So I appreciate that a lot. If you would like an Igbo name, I can gift you one. Just based off of your characteristics. So let me know some characteristics about you, your relationship with God. The same as EJ was talking about his ancestors and God, and basically a name that had to deal with, you know, the connection between that and being strong-willed and things like that, right? So let me know. I will gift you an Igbo name. If you are Igbo, I will feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.